Launch Clash. You mean I'm in charge? Oh my goodness. I just squeezed the lemon into a glass and I'm drinking half of the lemon right now. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's so good. I'll do the other half lemon in a little bit. Oh, what was it? Oh, fastest mode. Gotcha. Input end space header floats, each representing the duration of a hug you've had today in seconds. The duration of a hug? Why does the duration even matter? Oh, look how they've listed this. I do not like this. This challenge, I just don't like the way they did this. It's so dumb. If the total hug count so the only thing that matters is N, and what's this whole... So duration doesn't even matter. So if N is less than 4, okay. Well, it's a good practice in else if nothing else. I'm just kidding. N is less than 12. I just don't like the way they did this. Stable with a period? Oh. Then print the difference between 4 hugs per day and your current hug count. Four hugs per day and your current hug count. I'm confused. -2, surviving, found surviving, expected struggling. Found surviving, expected struggling. Six, expected struggling. Why would 6 be struggling? Only count hugs that last at least 5 seconds. Oh, I missed that whole bolded line. So then you have to go through the floats and only count the floats that are greater than 5 seconds? That lasted greater than 5 seconds. They even said it twice. There. Surviving, expected struggling. But it was 4. Is it total hug count? I'm so confused. Int n2 equals n. n2 minus minus. Okay, I don't get it. Something I just... It's the wording is not getting rewrite. It's not input, hug ahead in seconds. Difference between the number of flows. So aren't you supposed to go through here? But does that change your... Only count hugs that last at least 5 seconds toward this goal. But then it says, if the total hug count. Let's see what somebody else did. I don't know. At least somebody here is sharing their code. N equals C equals 0. If D equals C plus equals 1. Wait. Oh. Wait, why would you do that, though? Why didn't you just... I did the... Oh. Greater than or equal to 5. Huh. Isn't that what I did? I'm so confused. I thought that's what I did. Alright. Anyways, hey everybody, how's it going? Moving on. Okay, so what do we want to work on? I don't really know. I don't really know what I want to work on. The next thing to do is going to be something like... the next thing to do... See, these are cool, but what should I really do? I don't know. Excuse me. So let's look at the terrain for a second. I'm going to do something that I've kind of been avoiding for a long time. I guess you could say avoiding it, but not really. I guess. I don't know. New sphere, new terrain. Okay, so let's go. Let's load that. Let's up this one another level. Yes, I'm singing true. I don't know. Singing. Alright. Okay, so there we go. Let's compile it and run it. Make sure we're running. Let's do a challenge, like how long can I stream? And continually work on the game or something, some part of one of the projects or something. Okay, so in order to get this with the terrain, what we want to do is terrain class. Oh, I just had a thought. So what if I have another terrain? Like that. First of all, does just instantiating that do anything? Does it mess anything up? You can tell I'm horrible with like working with classes and stuff. Okay. Yeah, so we're fine. Okay. So the first time I work with this terrain, we load the shaders. Gotcha. Noise data gets initialized. The texture gets initialized, which there is no texture, it's the noise data. And then we initialize the data, init the VIO, VBO, IBO, and then we're ready. It's done. The Lorenz, the sphere, the sphere, the sphere, the super, new text. Okay, and then up here, the terrain use, do all this and draw the terrain, right? Render, okay. So, oh yeah, we can share that. Okay, so the initialization happens once, and that's fine. Init noise that, so load shaders. Okay, so for the second terrain, we use the same shaders. Okay, upper terrain dot init noise data. Okay, so is that, okay, let's say that again. Where is that function? So random offset. Oh, it chooses a random offset, okay. Each time, that works. So let's just do it. Let's just do init noise data. And then upper terrain dot init texture. Upper, this is easier than I thought. Dot init data. Okay, so I think it's the init data function that I want to look at a little more closely. Get interpolated height. That'll be different, but we won't really. Init data. Okay, so init data. Res, byte per pixel, height, width, pixel, pushback, create water surface, texture coordinates, height, width, indices, pushback, okay, loaded, okay. So the only difference with this is that I want to do it, excuse me, let's look at this for a second. Whoops, I got So when I'm drawing this one, okay, so where does that one put me when I do init data, pixel offset, noise data, JBit times byte per pixel, pushback, float I, X scale, create water surface, Z scale, temp Y equals pixel offset times 25. Okay, so it's going up to 25. I gotcha. If temp Y is less than Y, then Y is equal to 9.985, and that's the water. Okay. So water is at level 10, and then the highest point is going to be 25, is how I've got it set up. So all the water is level 10. And there's nothing below the water. Okay, oh, yeah. That's fine. And then what we want to do is so let's go init data. Okay, actually the only thing I have to do here is Y. Oh, I see. So what we wanted to do is have a boolean here. And just call it, I don't even know, just call it like cave. Init data. Okay, this first one's going to be false. And then the second one, when I do it, this one will be true. And so the only difference is when it's true, or when it's false, we'll go like this. Ba-ba-ba-ba. So then if we're looking at it like, so 35, okay, so let's go like this here. Let's ask Bing. See what I get. Sure. I can help you with that if you want to create a mirror of the y. You just need to invert the y value to this by subtracting the current value from the maximum. Replace with your terrain's maximum. Okay, so temp y equals max minus temp. Oh. Height of the terrain. Create water's temp y. Add the empty space to the y coordinate. Mirror the y coordinate. Oh, okay, that makes sense. Max y equals 30. Wait, so here, I think the max is going to be 55. Okay. So all I need to do is generate that temp y plus equals 5 right here. And then, excuse me, temp y equals, so what I'm doing is 0 to 25 plus 5, and then I'm doing 0 to 25, but I want to reverse it, right? Max y minus temp y. Wait, is that really? Wait, 0 to 25 and 5. So it starts at 30 and then it goes 0. So 55? Isn't 55 my max y? Oh, okay, that's what I thought. That's why it was confusing. 55 minus temp y. So then as temp y goes from, yeah, okay, mirror, let's put this right here. Oh wait, just go like that. So, does that work? Let's see if that actually works without crashing anything. Pretty sure it won't crash anything. Okay, so it makes the other terrain, but it doesn't draw it yet because... So then the only other thing we have to do now, so we have all this, and it works. We want to see what it does. So, projection view, right here we need to do this too, the terrain. Set float time. Oh, for the water, okay. Actually, just go like this. What? Who's talking here? Hold on. Who's saying something in my chat? What's going on? Oh, hi. Finding Focus Dev sounds almost like Interstellar. Oh, hey, yeah. How you doing? It is Stellaris. Yes. How are we doing? I'm just playing around. Not sure if this will even work. Okay, do I need to do anything else? The terrain cleanup? Oh, we better... Okay, good. Alright, let's see what that does. This is going to be crazy. Sorry. Bad sound effect. Alright. Uh-oh. Oh. Oh. I don't see anything. Do you see anything? I don't see anything. I only see one. I only see one. Why do I only see one? No. Am I missing it? What happened? Render. Oh, the train.use. Okay, hold on. I think we have to put these all together. I forgot about that. The shader thing. Let's just put everything together. Hold on. Holding on. Preparing to render, Captain. Stand by to render. Alright, I don't know. Okay, upper terrain.use. And then call all that funky stuff. Okay, that should work. So then we're setting them uniforms. Alright, let's see. Is it compiling? Did it work? Is it? Oh, there it goes. Okay. And, oh. I don't see it. Am I missing it? Hold on. I don't see it anywhere. Son of a bean dip. Am I missing it somewhere? The sphere, new text. Okay, so are we sure we're getting everything right? The terrain use. I was born a son of a... You're funny. You funny, man. Oh, wait, did you raid me? Oh, thank you, dude. Thanks for the raid. Wait, am I following you? Who are you? Follow. Hold up. Well, of course. Oh my gosh, what are you working on? Nice mug. I like the mug.
Okay, this is really strange. I guess it's kind of weird that we're doing... I think this explains stuff. Because we're...
And pixel art? Oh my gosh.
Needs to go... I think we want to shrink
Cool.
our hitbox here by 1 pixel on the left and right. 3 is greater than the right side of the target, or if the right side of our collision, which is right side of us minus 3, that's all correct, is smaller than the target x. Those are right, so we must be messing up the y here. We're checking the top of our bottom colliding box. The because it's -2. Top would have to be, oh, here's where we're, well, yeah, the top of us would have to be, and then the top of our target. This -2 is because it's the color and then our player.
Oh, cool. There you go.
But that could be, yeah, it's like how we have it set up is our map declaration is a tile ID of all these different numbers. So like we're only doing it once.
Cool, dude. Cool. That looks pretty awesome. It is very exciting. Okay, so what am I doing wrong here? Is it because these have the same name? Oh, okay, cool. Okay, render. Projection view model. Okay, and then render. So, what if I just draw... What if I don't draw the other terrain? What if I just do the upper? Oh, but I have to... Okay. See if that'll work. I don't think I'll see any. I don't think I'll see anything. No, it's not going to work. Yeah, it's going to be blank. Okay, but we have spheres. We have spheres and the okay, that's kind of cool, actually. Huh. Okay, so there should be terrain theoretically. Is it somewhere else? Maybe I'm not looking. The search for the lost terrain. Okay. So I wonder I wonder if this is just because I'm using another instance of that class. Load shaders. Okay. I don't do anything else up here. So what if I completely take out that other instance? And then this one is the only instance. There's no squiggly red lines. It's so far it's... Computer, why are you okay with that? Oh good, squiggly. That's what I want. So let's take that out altogether. The only difference is this. Oh wait, what? That could be the reason. Oh, I'm an idiot. Look at that. Idiot. Okay, hold on. That could have been the problem. Well, I wasn't expecting to see that. Okay, hold on. This could go a lot better than... Okay, hold on. Put everything back. Strike that. Reverse it. So the terrain views go down through here. Is somebody singing? Do I hear happiness? Where's my cursor? I don't even know where my cursor is. Okay, the terrain, render, everything, all right there. Everything is okay. Okay, so that was... Okay. So what happened was when I'm in it, this is kind of a key thing because it takes all the data and it pushes it over to OpenGL. And I was calling with the terrain instance instead of this upper terrain instance because I was copy pasting all that other stuff and everything. Okay, see if it works. Hold on. Breathing in, not breathing out. Okay, I'm breathing out again. Oh, we got it, but the color's all wrong because of the Y. Excellent, Yago. Excellent. Okay, so now let's just see. So what do we do here? So now we just want to properly color that in the shader. Aha.
This looks so freaking cool, man. How long have you been programming?
Um, I'm an old guy. I was born in 1973. And my uncle gave me a. I'll show you. I will show you my first computer. Right here. Ah, yes, the Texas Instruments. This is probably better than the one I had because it didn't look like this. And there's a spot for cartridges where you put cartridges in. Anyways, yeah, I started on the TI 99.4A. You couldn't save or anything, so I was just typing in basic programs. And yeah, I learned to type and basic at a very young age. And there's a whole long story. It's true. I've been doing OpenGL for about 7 years, since 2017, I want to say. Maybe longer. But then I've been doing game dev ever since like 2021, right after the pandemic. And okay, so height. In float height. Okay, hold on, I gotta look at that. Because I think... Isn't that position chord out float? Okay, so height is the Y position. Okay, so it's just the Y. Okay, good. So... If the black and white, okay. So now if everything's reversed... I can do it. I can do it. Okay, so what we want to do is just go if less than y to 10, less than or equal to 15, greater than 15. Ah, so right here is the trouble. And h is less than 25. There we go. So here, if h is greater than 30, which is where we're at, actually let's just say 29.9, because I think everything starts there. Then we'll go into this little thing here. And if it's greater than 15, then let's just start out like this, just to see what we get. Oh wait, no, we don't want that. We want this one, because that's like, I think that's the green color, I think. Let's see what that does. Uh-oh. Is there an error? No, it doesn't look like any errors there. So where'd it go? What happened? If height is greater than 29.9, computer. 10 to 15, random 20. Oh, because it's the offset here. Whoops. So frag color equal to random grid 24 comma times 15 minus h, but the height here is different. So most that's going to go from 0 to 5. So what we want to do here when it's 30 is let's just go 2.5. Let's not even worry about h. Wait, why do we have this one? Okay, so let's just go 2.5 right there. Let's just take this out, because we'll fix it in a minute. In a minute. I want to see it. Show me. Oh, there we go. So does it look like a ceiling as you're walking around? Oh, kind of. Okay. That's kind of not what I was expecting, I guess you could say. I mean, I like it. It's just, it looks kind of unremarkable, but I guess that's what you'd expect from, because it's really, yeah, interesting. We could do something different with it. It actually does look cool, kind of. Are those smile faces? What's going on? The hidden faces on the ceiling. Okay. All right. And you can't really tell like with this. So okay, so let's try. Okay, let's try this. Okay, so what I do on the bottom there is 15 to 25. So it's this. Okay, greater than. So let's go like this. So once we get in here, we know it's greater than 30. So if h is greater than 30, okay, and h is less than 40, okay, then we'll do something similar to this. And then we can adjust based on the height. So let's actually put that in. So 24,2 times 5 minus 20 minus h. But now we want to do 40 minus h? Or do we want to do h minus 30? I think we want to do h minus 30. Because we're looking the other way. It's kind of a reflection. So that will give us the greatest number there. At h is 40. 5 minus. That's going to go from, at 30 that's going to be 0, at 40 that's going to be 10, so 5 minus, okay. Maybe it is, calculating, Captain. I don't know, we'll try this, I'm scared. So if h is there, and then h is greater than 30, less than 40, so then let's just go here if h is greater than... Oh, it's not going to like this, is it? So let's go greater than, less than or equal to, greater than 40 here. And we'll put that right there. It'd be kind of cool to put in the Voronoi. Do you want to put that in? Temp v equals that. We could do that. Hold on. Let's do that here instead. Computer, don't destroy the code. Too late, Captain. Alright. So then we'll do the fancy thing. See what that looks like. No idea. Is it... Oh. Oh. What? Oh, weird. That looks wild. Oh, it's because we've got dark patches there. Oh, interesting. That's not what I was expecting. That's not what I was intending, but it looks weird. Cool. Okay. The mysterious caves, Captain. I am unsure what is happening right now. Okay, so what I want to do is I want those tips to be brighter. And then, how come I'm not getting any green? I want to see green, but I guess it doesn't matter. It's a cave ceiling. Okay, 30 to 40, or not this here. 40 minus h. What if we go... Wait, 30 minus h. 5 minus that. Will that get... Let's see. Hold on. Let's just see what that'll do. Just see. Just see. Here. Oh, too bright. So 35 minus h? Huh? Huh? What? Oh. Actually, wait a minute. Wait a tick. Okay. So now, why aren't we getting blue? And so, okay, so let's do a mirror here. Let's take a deep breath here. Okay, so 15 and 25, that's fine. So if it's greater than, okay, so the first thing we want to do is, so it ranges to 25, and then doesn't it cut it off at 10? So there's like 15, okay. So from 30 to 45, I think. But let's go 44, and then if it's greater than 44, I think. I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just kidding. Voronoi 32, temp B. How come it's not blue? Temp B equals Voronoi 32 times 0.5. But this one's blue down here. Vector 3. Oh, because... Wait, is that the black and white one? If the black and white is less than 100, oh. Else, oh, right here. This is the one we want. Jeff, you idiot, you're copying the wrong code. Well, you know, it's been a while. Okay, so that's fine. What are you doing? Oh. Voronoi 32 times 0.7. Okay, that's fine. And then, show me what that looks like. And I did 37 with the other thing, and then, oh, now we don't get it at all. That to me looks like more convincing ceiling. However, what's the maximum here? Let's go to 40. Oh wait. Yeah, let's go to 40. Go back to 40. Greater than 40. Now show me. And then this one, I kind of like that 37 setting, but let's leave it there and see what happens. Ah, so now there's blue on the ceiling. Okay, that doesn't look nearly as good as I had thought. I like the other one. So what we wanted to do there, let's do this. I have a thought now. Now I have a thought. Let's copy this. But because it's on the ceiling, we want to dim it just a little more. So let's go down to 4. There. Dim it, Jim. Oh. Alright, it looks kind of, yeah, it's alright, whatever. I think the ceiling looks a little bit more ceiling-ish. Okay, and then once we get to playing with the parameters and stuff and figure out what we want the terrain to look like, that's interesting. That's very interesting. Okay, so what does it look like if we're running through... Okay, it doesn't add much to the visual of the scene. It really doesn't. Unless you're looking up and you're looking for something. Like if you had a jump or something, I guess. But it was kind of fun to do. Not gonna lie. Not gonna lie. Doing the mirror thing up above. Okay. And so how do we get the green down here? What did I do to get the green? Random grid, Voronoi 32, no, 10 to 15. Random grid, oh. Oh, type. Wait, which type was it? Aha, that's the problem. So this one, let's go with 15 to 25. No, right here. 1. Would that be better? I don't know. Oh, it's green now. It's bright green. So we've got a bright ceiling. Okay. What's the other type? 0, 1, or 2. 0 is blue. Oh, okay. Let's try 0. 0. Show me the blue. I would like a blue. There we go. Oh, that looks cool. That looks kind of cool. That looks kind of weird. You saw it here first. And if you zoom in, oh my goodness, what's going on that ceiling? All right, so that's kind of like a cave generation kind of a thing, I guess. That's cool. Not kind of. I guess it is what I was expecting. It's just with my graphics card, I guess I don't really like the rendering in the distance, but it really doesn't look bad. It could be the shader pattern that I'm using. I'm trying to do that whole Minecraft thing. So I did random noise. Alright, well, let's go here. See, now as I'm looking around here, where is the origin? Where did I come from? Okay, let's restart. I just want a screenshot. Screenshot. Okay, so there's that. And as we look out here, let's go on top of a peak that is fairly bright. Okay, that's kind of cool. I don't think I could get a screenshot where it looks obvious. What happens if I walk off the side? Okay. Actually, yeah, hold on. Hold on just a sec. This makes it a little bit more obvious that you can see both terrains there. I don't know. I don't think we're getting a good screenshot from this. Let's just kind of leave it to people's imagination right there. Is that a good screenshot? I don't think that's a good screenshot. I don't know. Hold on. Computer. I think I have some code that gets rid of that white when it first starts. Let's just go like this. Let's look in the distance. But that looks like more like there's hills in the distance instead of a ceiling. That's not a good screenshot, Jeff. That might be a better screenshot. What do you think? Over here? Alright, let's just go there. Yes, I use Paint for my screenshots. Here we go. So let's just go like this. What does that look like? It looks cool, doesn't it? That's only the beginning, because we're going to have different biomes and all kinds of stuff. This is just totally a prototype that I'm working on. Let's see. Okay, so let's just save this. Where are we going to save it as? Let's call it Cave01. Alright. So I think what I could do to get the live stream... YouTube's kind of cool because while you're doing the live stream, you can actually go in and upload the thumbnail. Is that the thumbnail? That's kind of better than what I was... Okay, what did I call it? Cave01. There we go. Save that. Cool. So now people will see this as the thumbnail after I save the video, after I quit. Okay. Yeah, and then my second computer. You want to see my second computer? Apple IIc Plus. Oh, I had a plus, that's right. Did I have a plus? Yep, oh my goodness, it's been so long. Dude, control reset is how I discovered machine code. It's got a little disk drive on the side over here. Of course, I had an external hard drive eventually. It's got a little handle you can carry it. Never carried it anywhere, it sat on my computer desk. The original Mac... No. Yep, I went over to a friend's house, and this was his computer. Neo Prehistoria Exhibition. I remember when these came out. I wasn't impressed. I still had my Apple II, and I was getting into the 8088s and all that. And all that stuff. Oh, and then I had a new computer. I used to go down to the local computer store. I did a paper route to earn money for my computers. Had an 8088, and they came out with the floating point chip, which allowed you to use floating point. I had one of those put in, and it became a, what was it, 8080, see there was SX and DX, but that was in 286s. 286 SX, DX meant it had the FPU, I think. And that was when you didn't have sound, it was just crappy speaker sound, 8-bit sound, so you really had to have a... You used to have a sound card, otherwise you wouldn't have any good sound at all. Like the sound that they have built in on the motherboards today is just really, really good compared to back in the day. Turtle Beach used to be the company that started it all. Yeah, I'm an old guy. It's crazy. Okay, so that was really cool. So what did I do here? Main, terrain, whoops, first, terrain, 3D, 25. Okay, so I worked on class new terrain 05.h. I didn't actually make a new version because I didn't change too much, but... Alright, so I guess that's it. And then this, okay, so that's cool. Put in another 3D terrain directly above the current one, only facing upwards, creating a forever tunnel. Yes, it's not forever, but... Okay, cool. Dance floor animated like Fortnite lobby. That sounds cool. I remember. Yeah. Drawing floors for procedural buildings. Oh yes, procedural buildings. I should really get into that. Ah, the flocking algorithm. Yes. Alright, I think I should get off here. I think I should... Hey, Quantum's on. Let's go raid Quantum. Let's let the ads settle here, because he always gives me an ad. Quantum's really cool. He does C++ programming, and right now he just finished learning whatchamacallit, React. Baldur's Gate 3, is that what he's doing right now? That's funny. 23 seconds, Come on, Twitch. Come on, Twitch. Alright, well, let's start the raid and get everything ready. We'll say hello to Quantum. Thanks for tuning in, everybody. Appreciate the company. That's very kind of you guys to watch the nerdy programming fun. Okay, is this one done with the ads yet? 15 seconds. Should tell Quantum to get rid of pre-rolls. Although I don't care, because I'll tune in anyways. But.
All it does is it highlights some of the objects.
There we go.